So as I'm getting older, I'm always looking for the best kind of serum to help me look younger for longer, because honestly, isn't that the goal? So I had to try the Caudalie Resveratrol-Lift Instant Firming Retinol Activating Serum. This was gifted to me from the brand, but it's always able to give me an honest opinion. So what I really love about this has some amazing ingredients. This has hyaluronic acid, which will hydrate your skin. This has resveratrol, which will firm and lift, and also has vegan collagen, will smooth facial contours. So this has a great formula too. As you can see too, it has some great viscosity, and you just can easily just rub this into the skin. Sometimes I'll give myself like a little massage when I'm doing it. But too, I love to especially apply this on my neck, because you don't want your face looking very young and then forget about your neck. But I love to apply it there. What I found is my face is super hydrating, and that I love to kind of pair this with a more hydrating moisturizer over my skin, and I find that really leaves me with the best kind of hydration for the next day. So if you're looking for a new serum, this is the one you need to check out.